Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Suryavanshi, Senior Lecturer, Kekewak Polytechnic, Nasik. Welcome to the series of Data Communication and Networking. In this series, our today's topic is connecting device. Before going to the next topic, pause the video for some time and think on this. What is the use of networking devices? You should remember where we can use the networking devices. If you are write in your notebook, then we will see what is the use of networking devices. The network devices are the hardware devices that are used to connect computer, printer, fax machines and other electronics devices to a network are called network devices. These devices transfer data in a fast, secure and correct way over same or different networks. Network devices may be inter-network or intra-network devices. The learning outcomes of this video. After watching this video, the learner will be able to identify the different types of network connecting devices, the functions of these devices within a network, then selecting the network connecting devices for the given situations and features of the devices. In today's lecture, the three connecting devices which we are going to see is hub, switch and bridge. These are the three connecting devices which we will see in today's lecture. The first network connecting devices is hub. Now we will see what is the hub by using one of the small animation. From this diagram, it is easy for you to understand what is hub is doing exactly. In hub, the data will be sent from one network and given to the all networks, but the hub will connect it to the only required networks and the other networks will reject this data. You can easily understood this network concept or hub by using the given animation. Now what this actually hub is doing. If we have seen or learn about OSI model, you will understand it. The hub is layer 1 device, that is it is acting in the first layer of the OSI model. The second point is it is a single collision domain. As the computers are sending data to the number of pieces at a time and it is acting in half duplex mode, there may be collision of data from number of pieces. The next important point is the hub is working in half duplex mode. As the hub is transmitting data at the same time to all the networks, there is wastage of bandwidth. This is the drawback of hub network. Also, there is no security of the data or the segments which are transmitting, as the data is transmitted to all the network pieces which are connected to the hub. As far as these disadvantages, the hubs are now replaced by using the switches. The next connecting device is bridge. We will again see how the bridge is working by using a small animation. Bridge is actually used to connect the two LAN networks. Here we are seeing there are the two LAN networks which are connected by using the bridge. In bridge, if the first PC or the network is sending the data, it will be transmitted to the other PCs or the networks, but the data will be given or forwarded to the required MAC address and others will be rejected. When the data will reach to the bridge, it is connected to the second LAN network. Again the second LAN network, the required data will be sent to the number of PCs or computers connected to it, but it is given to the required systems and other will reject the data. Now what actually this bridge is doing, or the overview of the bridge. As far as the OSI model is concerned, it is a layer 2 device, that is it is acting in the two layers of the OSI model. Also, as well as the domain is concerned, it is acting in the two collision domain. Then also bridge has the few ports. It is a 2-port or a 3-port devices, and we will transmit segments by using the LAN. This is about bridge. The next connecting devices is the switch. We will see how the switch is working. The switch is transmitting the data as per required or given the MAC address. Here are the MAC address given: system A, system B and system C. System is connected to port 1 and C is connected to the port 3. The data will be transmitted as per the given MAC address. It will go to the required place and rejected by the other places. This is the small working of a switch or animation. Now what is this switch actually is doing, that is the overview of the switch. Again, as we have seen, bridge is a 2-layer device, switch is also a 2-layer device. It is acting in 2 layers of OSI model. In this, as far as collision domain is concerned, it is a multiple collision domain, as it is working in full duplex mode. As it is working in full duplex mode, as compared to hub, there is saving of bandwidth and also the security is increased. Therefore, in most of the cases now the hubs are replaced by using the switches. Thank you for watching this video and happy learning. For any queries, suggestion or comments, please kindly contact in the given address.